Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a new website that is going to help you earn money just by sharing video content online. It's very easy and flexible. You can earn close to $100 in 60 days using this method. So before we get right into it, I would like you to hit the subscribe button. If you are a new viewer, you haven't this is your first timer in my channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I create new content. And also, if you're not a new viewer and you've been viewing my video for some times, I have not considered subscribing, please I will advise you, I will suggest to you to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified whenever I create more amazing content like this. So let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be showing you a website. The website is actually a URL shortening website that helps you shorten links. The method is very easy and flexible. I know most people come online here and tell you different kind of stuff you can make money with this, but this I'm very straight with it, because even from my country, Nigeria, I can make money with this website. So no matter where you are in the world, you can make money with this website. Let me take you to the website. Let me navigate on my phone to the website. And then here we are. This is the website. Shorty.st. That's the name of the website. In this website, you get paid for shortening URL. You see, this is right here, URL and get paid. Shorten URL and get paid. It's very easy and flexible. More than over 320,000 users in over 100 countries. You can see the United States, you can make close to $14 per month. In the United Kingdom, you can make up to $10 per month. Canada, you can make up to $5. Australia, you can make up to $8. Spain, $3. Mexico, 92 cents. Argentina, 64 cents. Colombia, 59 cents. These are the rates for payment for each views on the link you shorten. The highest per 1,000 view in Brazil is like $1.39. Poland is $4.19. It's very easy. You can see Norway is very high, and then Denmark is very high. It's $9.20. It's very easy. Don't worry. In my next video, I'm gonna show you tips on how you can make money faster with this website. I can help you accelerate the way you make money on this website, but in my next video I'm gonna do that. In my next video, I'm just here in this video to show you the website, and then I will drop a link in the description below so as for you to sign up for the website and start earning money. Watch out for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified whenever I drop the video on how you can earn money faster with this website. It's very easy and flexible, and then the website is more complicated. They have so many more stuff, many more features. You can shop on the website. There's a website script that you can post their ads on your website too. You can earn money with referral programs. I'll get into that in my next video. The steps and tips on how to make money faster on this website. Thank you guys for watching.